This video demonstrates how to onboard BMC Blade Logic Server automation so you can use it with BMC's SecOps response service. Onboarding means you deploy an on-premise program to a server that functions as a connector. The connector allows communication between BSA in your local environment and SecOps response in the cloud. To perform the actions shown in this video, you must be registered with BMC to use SecOps response. And the server where you are running connectors must be running Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7 or Windows 2012 R2, have 4 CPUs, at least 8 gigs of available memory, must be running Java Runtime Environment 1.8, it must have an HTTPS outbound connection to the internet, and it must have access to the BSA application server. First, you need to log on as a SecOps response administrator using the credentials you provided when you registered with BMC. Enter the email address that is registered with BMC and the password. Click Login. An introductory page appears. It describes what to expect during the onboarding process. After you review the information on this page, click Get Started. Now you can select a system connector. Currently there are 2 options, Microsoft SCCM or BMC Blade Logic Server Automation, or BSA. I'll select BMC Blade Logic Server Automation connector. You can see at this point I can also select some optional connectors, but I'm not going to select any right now. Click Download. This page shows me the connectors that are going to be downloaded. Right now there's just one. Download the connector for BSA by clicking here. The download begins. The download consists of a zip file. When the download is complete, extract the contents of the BMC Blade Logic Server Automation Connector zip file. Using a command line, cd to the location of the extracted zip file contents. Install the connector by entering the command bsa-connector.exe space install. Start the connector by entering the command bsa-connector.exe space start. Now the connector is running. Now, using the onboarding application again, click Configure. Provide the fully qualified name or IP address of the BSA application server. Here, enter the port used to communicate via web services with the BSA app server. By default, BSA uses 9843. And here, enter the role in BSA that will be granted administrative privileges. Users belonging to this role will be able to perform administrative actions in SecOps response. Click Finish. The connector for BMC Blade Logic Server Automation is now running. To confirm that onboarding was successful, I'm going to log into SecOps response as a BSA user. That's the home page for SecOps response. We have successfully onboarded SecOps response. Thanks for watching.